Okay guys, so a very warm welcome to video 1. For in this video, we'll be touching on exchange rates and just for you to understand exactly how an exchange rate is calculated between two countries' currencies. So then we're having a look at the Great British Pound and the US dollar, and I'm going to be explaining to you how we buy and we sell exchange rates based on what we're doing with the base currency. So once you understand this, you always understand the terminology. Once we get into trading the currency markets, what buying and selling means, and just understanding an exchange rate in general. So enjoy the video. But I'll see you for the next video. Okay guys, so a warm welcome to your Forex market beginners course. Really excited to share with you guys how we trade the currency market so you can get into trading and hopefully make some really good profits and learn how the Forex market can benefit you and your finances. So that's what we're going to do in the first section of this video. We're going to look at an exchange rate and just break down the terminology behind an exchange rate. How do we understand the value of an exchange rate, or what composes an exchange rate in the first place? So an exchange rate is simply the value of one country's currency when exchanged into another country's currency. So we're always looking at two countries' currencies in an exchange rate. And what we need to understand about an exchange rate is that when you look at an exchange rate, you're always going to have a currency on the left-hand side, which is called the base currency. And then you're going to have a currency on the right-hand side, which is called the quote currency. And then you're going to have an exchange rate of value. And what this is basically telling you is that we are looking at the value of the base currency when exchanged into the quote currency. And the exchange rate quote is telling you how much one British pound buys in exchange for US dollar. So in this example, 1 unit of the base currency, which is the British pound, so £1 is buying in exchange. When you exchange pounds into dollars, we're buying $1.51. So the exchange rate is basically telling you the value of the base currency. Whenever you look at the exchange rate, that's all you need to remember. If this was the pound against the euro, or if this was the pound against the Japanese yen, the pound against any currency, whoever's currency is on the left-hand side, if the base currency, then you automatically know, okay, so if I'm looking at this exchange rate, I understand that whatever the quotation on the right-hand side is showing me is telling me the value of the base currency once sold in exchange and buying the quote currency. So basically, this exchange right here is just quoting you the value of the base currency once sold in exchange for the US dollar, for example. So we can look at it in that way. So we can always say, I understand that £1 buys $1.51. Or I can say, I understand that if £1 buys $1.51, then $1.51 must also buy £1. So you can look at it in reverse if you want to. But just remember, when you look at an exchange rate, it's always just the value of the base currency sold into the quote currency. So what you're also going to hear a lot of, guys, is the terminology of buying a currency pair and selling a currency pair. So what does that really mean? So you can understand when you're actually going to start trading the currency markets, when you want to buy a currency pair, what does that mean? And when you want to sell a currency pair, what does that mean? Because you're going to have to start to enter trades onto your brokerage platforms, and you're going to need to understand basically which currency you're buying and which currency you're selling in an exchange rate, to understand which way you're betting on the value of one currency to go up in value against another currency, and that's how to make money. But we'll talk about that further in the course. But we need to understand the terminology behind buying and selling. So the first thing you have to remember, guys, when we're trading is that in order to buy an exchange rate or sell an exchange rate, what we are really talking about is what we are doing with the base currency in this exchange rate. Are we going to be buying the base currency, or are we going to be selling the base currency in exchange to purchase the quote currency? So just always remember, in order to buy a specific exchange rate or sell it at a specific exchange rate, we have to always own one currency and sell it in exchange to buy the other currency. So when you're looking at the terminology called buying an exchange rate, which you're going to hear a lot of when you're trading currency markets, you're going to hear someone say, oh, I bought Euro USD. What does I bought Euro USD mean, for an example? And what that basically means is, because the euro is the base currency, it means that you've sold US dollars in exchange to buy euros. So you are basically buying the euro because you are betting that the euro is going to go up in value against the US dollar. So that's what it means with the terminology, I am buying the currency pair Euro USD. You're selling US dollars been exchanged to buy euros because you're betting that the euro is going to go up in value against the US dollar. On the flip side, if you are selling an exchange rate, then you're basically talking about selling the euro to purchase the US dollar. Okay, that's why we call it selling the exchange rate, because remember, we're talking about what we're doing with the base currency. In the first example, I said we are buying the currency pair because we're selling dollars to buy the euro, base currency. But in this situation, we are now going to be selling the euro to buy the quote currency. And again, the reason you would do that is because you'll be betting that the US dollar is going to go up in value against the euro. And I'll be talking about why you'll be doing that and how that makes us money in the markets. But just the terminology to understand, guys, is buying and selling is always us looking at either buying the base currency, or if we are selling the base currency because we are betting that the quote currency is going to go up in value. So that's all you need to understand, and it's very straightforward.